Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aurangzeb. Let's learn English translation to Pashto language. My dear, start. My favorite color is yellow. Zama zel rang khwakh de. Zama zel rang khwakh de. A red trouser. Sur trouser. Sur trouser. A yellow bag. Yo zel bag. Yo zel bag. My yellow bag. Zama zel bag. Zama zel bag. A green car. Yo shin gade. Yo shin gade. A black sandal. Yo tur sandal. Yo tur sandal. Two orange bags. Dwa narangi beguna. Dwa naranji beguna. A red shoe. Yo sur boot. Yo sur boot. My favorite color is red. Zama sur rang khwakh de. Zama sur rang khwakh de. His favorite color is blue. The aga neela rang khwakh de. The aga neela rang khwakh de. Is green your favorite color? Sta shin rang khwakh de. Sta shin rang khwakh de. Is yellow your favorite color? Zel rang sta khwakh de. Zel rang sta khwakh de. Please like, share my channel and subscribe too. Thank you.